Hey guys, today I'm showing off a peel-off mask from Urban Hydration, which is a black-owned company, and they also have natural hair products that I do have that I will be testing out in the future. So this is my skin beforehand, and for the most part, it's smooth already. I just have a lot of dark marks and dark scars that I need to get rid of. So I'm going on the skincare journey, just trying to figure out what will work best for my skin and getting rid of the dark marks. So it has this glue-like texture, and it's also very tacky because it needs to attach itself to the skin. So I did wet my face before I applied the mask. You see that I wet my face with my cloth, and then I just started rubbing on the mask. It says to, let me see the instruct. Okay, it says to apply a thin layer to clean skin using fingertips and avoid your eye area. Keep mask on for 10 minutes or until dry. Use weekly. Okay, so yeah, I applied it, and this is how it's looking. Very wet, and I'm excited to see the results. So here are my thoughts.
Just applied it, and as soon as I applied it to my dead face, it felt like it was like drying out my skin, like kind of like an alcohol drying feeling. Like if you know how that feels when you put alcohol on like a mosquito bite, it feels like that. Like it's really strong, and I'm trying to find the ingredients. So it does have alcohol in it. It has a peppermint scent, like a menthol scent. So it has a menthol scent. It feels like it's like drying out my face, and I believe that's what a mask should do, because it's going to exfoliate my skin and hopefully take away a lot of dead skin cells. So I'll be back in 10 minutes so you guys can watch the peeling. Also, I want to point out that I did use my washcloth to wipe away the stuff that I got in my edges by accident, because I don't want to peel off my edges. So yeah, I don't want to peel off any hair. It hurts to peel off hair. Like it hurts. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's still sticky, but I'm gonna start peeling. Oh my goodness, there's nowhere to peel. Oh. It's still sticky. I think I should let it dry more. Last time. Oh. Oh. Okay. I dried all the way, but we're gonna take it off. So yeah, just rolling it like this helps get it off. Here we go. This one's way better than that gold one I put on. It comes off so much easier.
Even though the mask had a drying feeling in the beginning, it did not leave my face dry, and I was very surprised at that. So I didn't really see any sudden change in the visibility of my dark marks, but I'm guessing I have to do this on a weekly basis. I also exfoliate with the St. Ives exfoliator once a day. I'm hoping to see some improvement within the next month. Afterwards, I just decided to use a warm, damp cloth just to wipe off the remaining pieces of the mask that I couldn't peel off or that were still wet. And then I re-wet my face with warm water.
If I let it sit for 10 more minutes, it probably would have been better, and I probably could have pulled it all off at once, but oh well. So I'm going to just follow up with some shea butter just to moisturize my face, and I'm putting this on my face while it's still damp. It's just a little bit of shea butter, it's not that much. So So my face wasn't dried out after the mask, and I actually like it, and I can't wait to use it again. I really like that peel off mask, and I really like the company's mission, so check them out. I also have hair products from them that I want to also try out that I brought myself, so stay tuned for that.
So here's a final shot of my skin and my results after one use. Check out more hair videos and skin videos on my channel. Thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.